Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Intex branded oximeter. So this is a oximeter. Nowadays everyone has to be purchasing this item. So I have ordered this Intex branded oximeter. So many people are using Intex branded and Dr. Trust also. So you can purchase on depends upon your budget. You can purchase related brands. So I ordered this oximeter for home purpose. So I want to check with the corona effects, right? So I want to be more careful, so that's the reason I have ordered this. So let's open it and I will show you what's inside this, and will guide you how to use it also. This is, if you see the details, right, it's giving a measuring range and accuracy about all these things. I have reviewed all the details in the internet, so which is giving that it's approximately equal to original readings, so that's good. So that's the information I want to give. So let's quickly open this. So let's unbox this. Yeah friends, so we have opened it. So let's see what's inside. Yeah, they have given a strap to hold the item, and yeah. So guys, this is the oximeter, so which looks like this, and I hope they have given with the charge inbuilt, or something has to be left. So they have given oximeter, OxySafe plus oximeter. So they have given a user guide about this product, so how to use and everything it will be given here. Safety about warnings they have given, explosion, okay, that's nice. So they have given caution details also. Do not open the unit if damaged, so you should not open this product. And the type, so they are giving the symbols related one, so which symbol is related to which performance. So description is like so if the human symbol is coming, BP equipment, it's showing that BP type equipment, and the LOT is showing the batch code. So and one more is the date of manufacturing. So these are the details about this one. So if you want to see about, so introduction, how to use it and everything it will be given here. Installation setup, so description of the phone. So what is the buttons on this? So we have two buttons in this, so which is useful for power button, and one is LCD panel, so both only. So a power button is used to turn on and turn off. So LCD panel has a display of data, so whatever the data we have. So and so regarding the display also, they have given multiple readings, so it will give the battery indication on the top if you see clearly. Yeah, so that's the battery indication, and next one is your power button is there, and below that it has a bar graph, so it's giving a bar graph, and the pulse rate also it's showing, and hemoglobin plethysmograph. So this is one more reading, so we will get that. So it's give the oxygen levels in our body, so how much oxygen levels it is. If it's reduced means we have to be joined in the hospital immediately, so it's good. ILM is off, and pulse beep also off. SpO2 low, it's also giving oxygen levels 94. PR high, PR low, it will give, and restore, if you want to restore it will be available, so plus or minus also available. So those are the details about the product. So how to use means you have to put your finger on it, on the pulse oximeter on, and you put on one finger into the rubber hole of the oximeter. So we have to put our rubber finger in the rubber hole with nail surface. Okay. Press power button to turn the pulse oximeter on. The oximeter will automatically be powered off when no finger in the device for more than 16 seconds. So it will automatically turn off. Okay, it's a great product. So let's open it, and we will turn on the device. So we need to put a finger in this rubber hole. So yeah, so we have to click this button as a clip, so clip model. So let's put one finger here. So we have put the finger, so we are going to turn on it first time. Let's try. So it's not on, you need to press for long time. It's not turning on. Is there has any batteries inbuilt or not? Okay guys, so we need to put two batteries in this. So we will bring the two batteries and we will connect it. Sorry for the inconvenience. So I also trying first time, so that's the reason. So let's go to the manual now. So it has given us some cautions, so let's read out one by one, then we can understand. Do not operate the unit if it is damp or wet. So it's not working, then if it's wet, then we should not use this. It may cause device damage, so you should not turn on any devices which is dipped in the water or water molecules are present on the top. So never use sharper points. So we should not use the sharp items, knives like that, okay, objects to operate the front panel switches. So do not use sharp items to turn on the switch because it will damage. So it should not be like that. And caution: the device shall only be used if the battery cover is closed. So we should maintain this battery cover should be closed, and the battery must be disposed, okay, the proper disposed according to the local regulation after their use. So we should have to so they have given eco-friendly details also, so we definitely has to dispose those batteries. So it should be disposable manner batteries also we have to use. Never use sharpness items, the battery must be taken out, okay. So those are the details they have provided. So I will use this, okay. I have ordered the rechargeable batteries. So about these rechargeable batteries also I have given a video, so you can go ahead and you can see it if you want to. So let's use these rechargeable batteries on this device. So I hope they have given it some charging inbuilt. So let's take it out. So let's connect it. So if you see here, yeah, this way, and this one also the same way. No, okay, opposite direction. So they have mentioned that we have to close the panel immediately before using it. So I have closed it, okay. I have turned on automatically. So it's giving, what is this, percentage of SpO2 and BP and PR rating also it's giving. So it is automatically turned off because of it's not have anything. Now finger is in that, okay. Let's try to use it. So I have, see, oximeter, it's giving the logo and it's checking. See, it's checking still. So the bar also it's showing that it's processing. It's good. It's good, quite color also very nice. So it's showing the battery indication, so it has low battery. So maybe the rechargeable batteries what they have given is battery discharged. So I need to recharge it. The batteries are rechargeable, so you can have purchased the rechargeable product also to recharge the batteries. So for that also you can read out my channel. So it's taking a lot of time, so let's quickly see how much time it will take. So here also they have not mentioned anything. Press the power button and hold half of second to enter the settings menu. If you pick the data, the color of it will change from red to blue. Press the power button and hold on a half of second to change it. Then press the power button to pick next one. So we need to be use long press and to change the persons. If you are like to reduce the number, we pick so we have to use the plus and minus to reduce the memory values. If you don't like to clear your usage data, you can choose the restore menu. So we can use the restore button. And if you see this here, they are giving the indication. So 99% of SpO2 is there available, and 115, 113. This is the BP. PR rating. So PI rating also is showing that 7.5. So about these details also they have not provided anything. So how much should we have to maintain? SpO2 level should be 94 like that. Maybe they have given. After setting, check it and press on hold on half a second and save the changes. So these are the details they have given. So it's good. Okay, that's it. And if we have to turn it off, so we have to press on it. Finger out. So it's showing the finger out. Yeah. That's good. so it's automatically turned off. So that's it friends. So you have to make sure that this device is closed properly. So it's giving the item brand name in text. These are the model number, how much voltage it is using. So these are the details. So thanks guys, this is the easy method to check your oximeter details. So if you like this video, please like and share. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.